Welcome to the wonderful world of payroll management, a realm where numbers dance and paychecks flow like water. Okay, maybe not exactly, but payroll management is undoubtedly a crucial aspect of running a business smoothly. So, let's go on a journey through the ins and outs of payroll, sprinkled with a dash of fun and a dollop of expertise. Understanding payroll management. At its core, payroll management encompasses the processes involved in paying employees accurately and on time. From calculating wages and salaries to withholding taxes and deductions, payroll management ensures that employees receive their rightful compensation for their hard work. The importance of efficient payroll management. Effective payroll management is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it helps maintain employee morale and satisfaction by ensuring timely and accurate payments. Nothing dampens spirits faster than a delayed paycheck or an incorrect deposit amount. Secondly, payroll management is crucial for regulatory compliance, as businesses must adhere to various laws and regulations governing wages, taxes, and benefits. Thirdly, advanced payroll management can help you track project costs to the correct financial accounts to better track profitability and margins. Key components of payroll management. So, what exactly does payroll management entail? Let's break it down. Time and expense reporting. This involves tracking and reporting hours and expenses that the staff logged for the period to be paid. It may also include project job costing as well. Payroll processing. This involves calculating employee wages, factoring in hours worked, overtime, bonuses, and other variables. Tax withholding and reporting. Employers must withhold federal, state, and local taxes from employees' paychecks and report these taxes to the appropriate authorities. Benefits administration. Managing employee benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off is an integral part of payroll management. Compliance. Staying compliant with labor laws, tax regulations, and reporting requirements is crucial to avoid penalties and legal issues. Record keeping. Accurate record keeping is essential for auditing purposes and maintaining a clear trail of payroll transactions. Tips for effective payroll management. Now, let's sprinkle some practical tips into the mix to make your payroll management process smoother. Use time tracking and expense management software. Research and implement an easy-to-use time tracking software that your staff can use to track their time against projects and overhead work. Ideally, pair the time tracking software with an expense management tool as well to allow your staff to better submit expenses for reimbursement and better allocate job costs. Make sure you pick a time tracking and expense management tool that can be integrated with your payroll processing software. Use payroll software. Invest in reliable payroll software to streamline your payroll processes and reduce manual errors. Stay updated on regulations. Keep abreast of changes to tax laws, labor regulations, and reporting requirements to ensure compliance. Automate where possible. Automate repetitive tasks such as time tracking, payroll calculations, and tax filings to save time and minimize errors. Train your staff. Ensure that your payroll staff is well trained and knowledgeable about payroll processes, regulations, and software usage. Outsource if needed. Consider outsourcing payroll to a professional firm like a bigger bottom line to alleviate the burden and ensure accuracy. Payroll management may not be the most glamorous aspect of business ownership, but it's undoubtedly one of the most important. By understanding the fundamentals of payroll management and implementing best practices, businesses can ensure smooth operations, happy employees, and compliance with regulations. For expert assistance with payroll management and bookkeeping services, contact A Bigger Bottom Line today. Visit us at www.abiggerbottomline.com for more information.